Yeah, hi
Good evening.
Sushmita. Yeah,
Hello. Good evening.
yeah, hello, hello. Good evening, good evening. So another Imran is there, right? Yeah, hi Imran. Yeah, hello Sushmita.
Yes, yes, I'm there.
Yeah, okay, okay. So what you are doing now?
No, now I'm doing BTech third year. I'm in third year.
BTech third year. Which college?
ITR Bhubaneswar.
Okay, Bhubaneswar, right, right. What's your stream?
My stream is IT.
IT only, right, right. So in you are in third year, right?
Yes.
You have a core Java in your subjects. That's why you are learning the Java,
No,
or you? Hmm.
no. For next year there will be campus, so I'm trying to know what is Java. And in the resume I will put Java.
Okay, okay. So is Java don't have in your academic syllabus?
Now we were having in first year, but they don't teach in Bhubaneswar people. They don't teach it properly. Like we were having just what is OOPS inheritance little concept only that was Java. They don't teach properly total concept. So I'm trying.
Okay, good, good. So,
For
and
first semester we were having.
okay, first semester itself we have a Java, right?
Ah yes. They gone
And what about,
opposite. First semester they taught Java. After that they taught C++. Then third sem they taught us C.
hey, how can this possible after Java CPP and after CPPC? It's completely different. What is this university? It's autonomous. Is it autonomous
It is
college?
SOA University, ITR.
SOA
Yes,
means
SOA University name.
university name itself. Okay, okay.
It is Deem University.
Okay, cool, cool. So coming to what a real time, will not learn the Java like that. Before Java, you need to learn C and CPP, right? I think you know C and CPP.
Yeah, I
Hello,
know a bit. I am acquainted by it. C, I know.
C you
C++,
know clearly.
it's okay type.
Okay, okay, good, good.
Yeah.
Okay, right, right, fine. No problem at all. So I will teach you the both core and advanced Java. So you need a core and advanced or both.
I require both actually, but if I will write in resume about advanced Java, then if I don't know properly, then they will ask question, I can't answer them. So I'm
So
confused what to do.
yeah, see Sushmita, in resume, don't place it as core and advanced Java. There is no terminology is there like core and advanced. Either you need to write a J2SC or you need to write J2EE. I think you have heard these words J2SC and J2EE. Have you heard these
Yeah,
words?
J2 standard edition. Yes, one is
Enterprise
standard
edition.
edition and one
Yeah.
enterprise edition.
See, you are supposed to place this J2SC and J2EE not for as a core Java and advanced Java. Okay. Okay, and
Okay.
in this you are, I
So
mean,
basically, what is advanced Java? What we will learn?
good, good, good. So in advanced Java, you can learn like the web-based applications. And coming to what your J2SE, that is core Java, you can develop only the standalone applications. That is like a notepad, like calendar. You can develop this kind of application. But you cannot develop the real-time application like what web-based applications. You can develop only with the core Java, you can develop only the standalone application. Like here, see we have a notepad. In the screen I have a notepad. You can develop this notepad application and you can develop this kind of application, that is calculator. In your laptop you will have a calculator. This kind of application you develop, but you cannot develop the web-based application like online mobile recharge, like a Gmail or any college management system. You cannot develop it. In advanced Java, like a J2EE, you will have a concept like a servlets and a JSP. In core Java, as you said, you will have a OOPS concept, all the OOPS concept, and like to develop the standalone application, you'll have AWT and strings, like a abstract window toolkit and a strings component. I think you may have seen this terminology, right?
Yeah, I
This
have heard this terminology, but I don't know properly what.
now we got the difference between the J2AC and J2EE first of all. Hello. Yeah, Sushmita. Now we got the difference
Hello, I'm
between
not
J2SC.
getting.
Yeah, yeah. Now we got the difference between J2SC and the J2EE.
J2. Yes, yes.
Yeah, okay. Simply they are
Yeah,
the
I got.
Java. Okay.
This semester,
Okay.
we have one subject called HCI, that is Human Computer Interaction. So
Okay.
our ma'am is asking us to create. We have groups, 5 groups per class, and we are asked to do. Our group needs to present one front end of Jeevansati.com. So they are not teaching us JSP or anything.
Okay. Okay.
Front end of JSP, and after till 17th Feb they have access to submit, and after that, after the end by end of March they are asking us to submit one app.
Okay, Anna, before
So they are
5th,
not teaching us. We don't know how to
17th
create.
Feb, you need to develop a web application and you need to submit it, right?
Yes, and after the and by the end
all-
of March we are asked to submit one app related to this matrimonial site.
Okay, related to matrimonial. Okay, okay, right, right. So, are they given any
But
abstract
they are not
value
teaching.
or
No, they are not they have not taught us any HTML. They said us that you learn by yourself and present us.
okay, 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 no problem.
Present that.
So, yeah, Sushmita, if you want to develop such kind of application, first of all, you should learn the core Java perfectly. Then definitely I will make it full to you to develop the such kind of application like matrimony, any application you can develop once if you clear with the core Java. See, core Java is useful for the back-end logics, for not the design. Okay, back-end logic you need to write it for only the core Java. If you learn advanced Java, before advanced Java, you need to learn like HTML, CSS, and a JavaScript to develop the front-end application. And then to connect the front end to back end, that is a server-side applications, you need to write the coding using servlets and JSP. Complete your servlets and JSP is based on the core Java coding only. Okay. Now we got the clarification first of all. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Now we got the clarification.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Is this JSP very tough?
No, 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 no. It's very, very easy. You believe or not, it's very easy if you learn the servlets. Because see, between servlets and JSP having a dependency. If you learn core Java, you can learn advanced Java. And the same thing, if you learn servlets perfectly, you learn servlets C, and it's very easy to learn a JSP. Because simply the JSP is an extension of servlet only. And before servlets and JSP, try to learn these things. That is HTML and CSS and JavaScript. These are the things you need to learn before the servlets and JSP. And you need to learn the JDBC also. Do you have any database related subject in your academic? Database related?
Database we were having previous sem. Database.
What is the database means? Are they teach SQL and PLSQL?
SQL. I studied SQL.
Both the thing you need to learn, SQL and PLSQL. With the SQL and PLSQL, with the PLS and SQL, either you need to learn Oracle, or you need to learn MySQL. Any option, or you need to learn SQL Server. Any one thing you need to learn with the SQL and PLSQL. See, SQL and PLSQL are the languages, and the remaining things, Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server are the database server. If you learn SQL, PLSQL, you need to practice on either Oracle or MySQL or SQL Server. Before learning JDBC, you need this knowledge, SQL and PLSQL. And again, your JDBC completely used in your servlets and JSP completely to connect with the front end to back end and the back end to front end. Are you clear, Sushmita?
Yes, this all you teach. Do you teach
Yeah,
this
definitely.
all?
Yeah, actually, whatever I have written, this all the things, it is a part of advanced Java, not the core Java.
Yeah,
All the things.
this I know.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, this is all the things about the advanced Java only. Okay. I will teach each and every module here. Tell me.
Okay. One of my friend actually suggested that advanced Java is very tough. So
No,
I don't understand.
it's not tough. No. Clearly, it's very easy if you learn this HTML, CSS, and SQL and PLSQL. Before this is advanced Java. Actually, advanced Java having only 3 topics. Advanced Java having only 3 topics. One is JDBC, second one will be the servlets, and the third one will be the JSP. Only 3 topics will be there in complete your advanced Java. If you want to learn this JDBC, servlet, JSP, first of all try to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and SQL and PLSQL. I will teach everything here. If you take the advanced Java as a part. Okay. Now, anything you want to ask me or anything you want to get the clarification?
Through JSP?
Yeah.
Through JSP we can create an app also.
Yeah, definitely you can create it. It's very easy. Using JSP you can develop it. Okay.
Means
Yeah.
advanced Java is a part of making application also.
Yeah, part of meeting in application, complete to develop a real
app app like game apps, all that we can make it.
See, if you want to develop the games, you need a knowledge like AWT and Sphinx. AWT and Sphinx, or we have another topic as applets, and these two topics are there in Core Java to develop the game application. In Core Java itself, we have these topics. The AWT, Sphinx, and applet. So AWT, Sphinx, and applets to develop standalone applications. Standalone application, like simply we'll call it as GUI based applications. And using advanced Java, you can develop web based application. Can develop web based applications. Is it clear?
Okay.
Yeah. What is your preferable timing, Sushmita?
Actually, this is by 7 I am free. My in time is hostel in time is 7 o'clock. By 7:30 I am free. But now in hostel I use net, hostel's net. So now actually students are not there in the hostel. So net is comparatively fast.
Okay. If your friends will be there in your hostel, it may be slow, right?
Yeah. So I think before 9, before 8 I can, morning 8.
Morning 8, before morning 8, right?
Yes.
Okay.
If it is possible, because they will be sleeping, so net can be fast during that time.
Okay, Sushmita, yeah, no problem. Let me interact with the remaining students also. I will come back to again. Okay. Yeah, hi Balu.
Okay.
Hello. Hello Balu.
Hello sir.
Yeah, hi. Good evening.
Good evening sir.
Yeah, so may I know your background streams and what you are doing and what is the purpose you are learning Java?
I completed BTech in the stream of Electrical and Electronic Engineering.
Okay, good.
In the year 2015.
2015 you have completed your graduation. Okay.
Yes sir. I have learned Core Java.
Okay, you have completed your Core Java. Where did you learn?
At Naresh.
Naresh Technology. Okay, now you need a Core Java or Advanced Java, Balu?
Advanced Java.
Only Advanced Java.
Yes sir.
Okay. And actually this sessions from Core Java, right? You have taken the complete information from this this big classes?
Yes sir. The ma'am told that first you attend the demo classes. The sir will be told whether it would be regarding the Advanced Java or Core Java. I asked the ma'am.
Okay. So no problem, I can teach both the things, core and advanced. So which purpose you want to learn advanced Java? I mean,
to
are you doing any job?
to learn web technology.
Okay,
No, sir.
okay, okay. You want to perfect on the complete Java, right? Okay, okay.
Perfect Java.
Up to where you have completed your core Java? Up to which topic? Networking
that,
is over. It is applied.
Networking is not.
Networking is
Swings completed, sir. AWT and swings are completed, both completed.
Okay, what about the networking? Networking applets?
No, sir.
You
No,
haven't?
they didn't say that.
Okay, no problem, Balu. And what's your preferable timing, Balu?
This is good, sir. 7:30 is available at 7:30.
7:30 is your preferable timings.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Right, let me talk with another student. Another student is there, Imran. Then I will come back to the session. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, right. Thank you. Yeah, hi Imran. Imran went to offline. Yeah, Naresh, can you call to the once Imran?
Okay, sir. 2 minutes.
Yeah, once call it. Yeah, hello. Yeah, hello Imran. Sorry, Balu and Sushmita.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, now today I will give you some introduction about the Java only. Okay, just try to listen the class. If you have any queries, you can ask me while during the class. Okay. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now let me talk about some basics of Java today. So we know that the Java is a programming language. Before Java also we have a programming language like a C and C++. But the now current industry are using Java only because we have a lot of features are there in Java compared to your C and CPP. If you take the major feature, the comparative these two C and CPP, the C and the CPP are used to develop platform dependent applications. And C, before that you need to know the history of the languages. The C is developed in 1972 by Dennis Rich, and the CPP is developed in 1983 by John Stoddard. And coming to what Java, your Java is developed in 1990. Java is developed in 1990. So before Java, there exist some C and CPP languages. And now we'll see what is the importance of Java. So before Java, we'll have a disadvantage with the C and CPP. That is, using C and CPP, you can develop only the platform dependent application. And using Java, you can develop platform independent applications. This is the main reason why the Java will become the popular compared to C and CPP. First of all, you should know what is mean by the platform. Let me discuss you what exactly the platform with one example. And the purpose of all the programming languages. Is to develop softwares. Simply to develop softwares. And the softwares are two types. We know that software two types. First one is system softwares. Second one will be the application software. System software and the application software. Coming to what your system software, it is nothing but your operating system. Coming to what application software, these are other than operating systems. So other than operating system, all the applications are called as application softwares. If you take Notepad, calendar, calculator, all the things will be under coming your application software, and your OS will be under coming your system software only. Now just observe what I mean by platform. So before moving to the platform, just see, so I have an operating system as Windows 7. I have an operating system Windows 7 with the processor as i3 processor. Now assume I want to download a VLC player, and your VLC player is nothing but VLC is an application software like VLC, calculator, and a calendar, MS Office, all the things will be under coming to application software. Now I want to I want to download a application that is VLC. So here my task is to download a VLC player. I want to download a VLC player. Just observe how will I'm downloading this one. I think you know the common terminology, that is open the Google and tell me, Sushmita, what the statement I need to type here to get the VLC player in my system. I want to download a VLC player from the net. What is the statement I need to type here?
Download a VLC player.
Good. Download a VLC player. That's it.
For Windows 8.
For Windows 7, so I am using Windows 7. That's it. Windows 7 only. With this, we need to give this 60-bit or 64. Yeah, we need to give this 64 or 32-bit also, right? Is it mandatory, Sushmita, to give this Windows 7 and 64-bit? Is it mandatory? If you give, if you are not entering this, just you are typing download VLC player, you will get one file, right? If you type this download VLC player, you will get one file. Can you give any guarantee that the file is installed in your system? Can you give any guarantee? But if you
if we write this, then we can get according to our system.
Good, very good. So just observe this statement. So you need to type this statement to get the proper .exe file from the net. Just observe. I will tell you what is the platform by this statement. Just observe. So download VLC player. So your VLC player is an application. Tell me, what is this Windows 7, Sushmita?
Sir?
What is Windows 7? See, in this example, VLC is an application, right?
Yes.
Now, what about the Windows 7? What is Windows 7 actually called as?
It is the operating system.
Very good. And what is this 64-bit?
Storage media, we can.
Storage or any other answers?
Capacity
or
what?
Or any other option? Simply, it is a processor architecture. Are you clear? We'll have a 32-bit processor, 64-bit processor, 8-bit processor, 16-bit processors. Are you clear, Sushmita? This one is Windows 7 is operating system and 64-bit is nothing but it's a processor architecture.
Okay.
Simply these two things, whatever we have discussed, these two things, that is Windows 7, that is operating system, and the plus processor is combination always called as platform. Just imagine a computer or imagine a laptop or anything without this OS and processor. Can we do anything without this operating system and process? Can we do any operation?
No.
No, right? That's why these things are called as a platform. So your C and CPP are used to develop platform dependent application, and Java you use to develop platform independent application. Now let me give one clarity how it will be occur. I think you know the C language, right? you know C, CPP, Java, little bit you know, right?
Yes.
See, suppose you want to develop a VLC player in using C and CPP. You want to develop this application. So what is the extension of the C program? C, right?
Yes. See.
What is the extension of a CPP code?
.cpp.
Yeah, good. .cpp. So after compiling, what you will get after compiling?
.exe file.
Yeah, very good. After getting, we will get .exe. This is a .exe file. So can I say it is a VLC.exe? You are going to develop a VLC application now. Is it clear? Are you clear with this analyzation?
Yes.
Tell me what is the content inside the VLC.c or VLC.cpp? Content I am asking. What is the
.c.
what is the content? It is a source code or not?
Yes, source code.
Source code, good, very good. It having the source code. Now tell me the content in VLC.exe. Content.
The binary language 0 or
Good, very good. It is what having a binary code. Simply it is also called as a machine code, right?
machine. Yes.
Machine code, or we can say a binary code. Is it clear? And let me ask one question, Sushmita. Why machine understand only machine code? Like a 0, 1s, right? This is the machine code, right?
Yes.
Tell me why machine understand only the machine code, like a 0 and 1s only. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 9 we have a digits. Among that machine understand only 0 and 1. Why? Just simple answer. Yeah, good. The simple answer is all machine components like capacitor, conductor, resistor, cables, everything, every machine component will exhibit only two states, either on or off. The on indicated with 1 and off indicated with 0. That's why a machine understand only these two things only. Are you clear now?
Yes, yes.
Good, right. And now assume, I will take another assumption. You are using laptop right now? Laptop or tab or computer? Laptop. Tell me what is your configuration? What operating system you are using?
My Windows 8.
Good. If you are using Windows 8, okay. And what is your processor you are using? Processor.
64-bit.
It means it is Intel or anything.
Intel.
i3 or i5?
i5.
i5 you are using. No. Very good. Just see. And can I say this Windows 8 and i5 as a platform? Can I say both are as a platform? So this will be your source platform, right? This is your source platform. In the source platform, you are returning a .c, .cpp code. You are returning a .c, .cpp code. See, after compilation, you will getting a .exe file. After compilation, you will get a .exe file. And see, after getting this VLC.exe, you want to share this application to your friends. Assume you are sharing the first friend as friend 1 I am taking. Friend 1 using the Linux operating system plus AMD as the processor. Assume that the first friend having a Linux and AMD as a processor. Sushmita, can you give any guarantee that your VLC.exe run on your friend 1 operating system? Can you give any guarantee? No, right? It means no execution. No execution of VLC.exe. Why?
Because
Why it is?
we are using different platforms.
Simply, you have developed this application in Windows 8 and i5, and it will be run on only Windows and i5. It cannot be executed other than this operating system, other than this processor. And take another scenario, same scenario. Take another friend, and your friend 2 will be having AMD as the processor. The Mac as the operating system, and i3 as the processor. I3 as a process. Now, is it executed?
No, won't execute.
No. Take the same thing. Take the same thing for the friend 3, and suppose that your friend 3 having same Windows 8 operating system, Windows 8 as the operating system, and as i5 as the processor. Now
Yes.
now it is executed because this source and the destination platform will be the same. If source and destination platform will be the same only, your C and CPP applications are going to be executed. That's why your C and CPP is treated as platform dependent applications. Are you clear?
Yes.
Now coming to what? Take the same scenario for the Java. You will get the thing. Take the same scenario for the Java. In the second case, same operating system you are using Windows 8 and i5. And what is the extension of Java, Sushmita? Java, right? Not Java, extension of this one. No TXE, sure. Are you sure? You will not get the .txt dot class file. Good. After dot class file. And tell me what the dot class file having. Is the dot class file having binary code? It having byte code, Sushmita. It having the byte code. Now tell me what is the difference between bit code and byte code? One byte equal?
1 byte 8 bits.
8 bits. 1 bit equal 0 or 1, right? Either 0 or 1. Now tell me, machine understand bit code or byte code?
Machine understand bit code.
Not byte code, right? Good. So after compilation of a Java code, we will not get the .exe file, we will get the dot class file that having the byte code only. And you can run this byte code in any operating system, any processor with the help of a mediator component called as interpreter, that is JVM. So see, the same scenario will take. So you want to share this dot class file to your friend, that is a friend 1 having Linux and a AMD processor, and here your friend should be use the Linux interpreter, that is Linux JVM you need to use. If you use the Linux JVM, then in your friend 1 operating system also your program is going to be executed. Take the same scenario for the second person, and your second friend should be having a Mac JVM. If your friend having a Mac JVM, then your application is also going to be executed. And in case of Windows 8 and i5 also, your friend should be having a Windows JVM, then it is going to be executed. By this one, you can say that your Java will become a platform independent programming language. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what we need to learn Java. So the basic reason we need to learn Java is to develop the platform independent application. Now, the C and the CPP, your C and CPP languages are follow one rule they are going to be followed. The rule is C and CPP follows WOCA rule. Do you know it, this rule? WOCA rule. That is right. Very good. Write once and the compile anywhere. It means if you change the platform, again you need to compile it. This is what the C and CPP rule. If you take Java follows WORA rule. That is write once and
Write once, run anywhere.
Very good. Very good. Run anywhere. This is what a little bit introduction about the Java, and you should know why we need to learn Java first of all. And let me ask some questions based on these things only. Tell me why a C language named as C only? Why a CPP is named as CPP? Why Java is named as Java? Do you have any theory? No?
Java was named after Oracle Oak, some It was named.
Good,
I
good,
don't
good,
know the
good,
reason
good.
behind it, but only.
So, okay, limited. Why is C language named as C only?
See,
Because before the C, we will have a language like a B, like a BCPL. Clear? Before B language, we will have a language like a Algol. Right? After BCPL, we have a language B. After B, we'll have a language C. Then we'll have a language CPP, and then we'll have a language as Java, and then we'll have a language as C#. This is a hierarchy to learn the languages. Now, let me explain you.
first BCPL, then B.
Yeah, no. First of all, B only, then it is BCPL. And see, after C, the CPP. What is the full form of CPP? CPP full form. Simply it is C++, right? Don't confuse. It is nothing but P, nothing but plus plus. And let me ask you, why we need to call it as C++? What is the purpose of plus plus operator in C language? Plus plus operator. Plus plus
Hello?
is used. Yeah, hello.
Your voice is not coming, sir.
Now is it clear?
Hello?
Yeah, Sushmita.
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
yeah.
C,
Now is it
PPP,
clear?
C++. Okay.
What is the purpose of plus plus
C++.
in C language? Yeah.
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
Okay, right. Just wait.
Hello?
Yeah. Just wait. Now, Sushmita, can you hear me now?
No, yes, sir. Yes.
Right. Yeah. Actually, the plus plus is used to, this one operator, plus plus is used to add one value to the operand, right? One value to the operand in the programming. Now, actually, the plus plus is nothing but adding some features to the C. Simply, your C++ is equal to C with OOPS concept. C with OOPS concept. It means the OOPS are introduced in C++ only. First of all, you should learn CPP clearly. Then either you can learn Java or you can learn .NET. Because both Java and .NET are having the OOPS concept. If you learn CPP perfectly, the OOPS are completely there in CPP. Then either you can learn Java or a C#.NET. First of all, you should know the OOPS concept in C++. Do you have any idea about the OOPS? Object-oriented programming structure. Hello, Sushmita. Hello, can you hear me? Hello? Okay.
Sir, after
Oh, no. Hi, Sushmita. Can you hear me now?
My net connection was lost. Okay. Yes,
Okay, no problem. Yeah, right. Now see, do you have any idea about the OOPS? I think you have covered the OOPS in your Java, right? So, to know the basics of OOPS, first of all, you should know the class and the objects. Class and object. Can you give any real-time example for a class, Sushmita? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, hello. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, in OOPS, the major things are you need to learn class and object, and then we have one shortcut for the OOPS feature, that is API. Remember this shortcut for the OOPS concept. See, from the C language, you need to learn the data and the function topics. I think throughout the C language, we'll have only 2 topics. Sushmita, are you there?
Yes, yeah, I'm there.
Yeah, right. So actually, apart from the C, complete your C language talk about only two things. The first one is data and the second one will be function. So before starting my Java session, I will give the brief discussion about the data and function in C. Then in C++, I will discuss what is class and objects and everything. And now coming to what your OOPS feature, like you will have a OOPS feature like abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance, encapsulation, right? The OOPS features. These are shortcuts to remember the OOPS feature. That is APIE, A for abstraction, P for polymorphism, I for inheritance, and E for encapsulation. Before going to the OOPS, let me give a real-time example for a class and object. Can you define, Sushmita, what is class and object? Can you define what is class?
Class, for example, class can be animal and object can be tiger.
Good, good. Yeah, pardon? I didn't hear your voice.
Class, we can take class as a animal and object we can take it as tiger.
Good, very good, very good. So class is an imaginary thing simply. Can I say it's an imaginary thing always? And now
Yes.
your object will be a physical thing. Physical thing that is existing in the world, then it is an object. Okay, and see, the class is always describe two things. Describe two things. These two things are two things. The first one will be the attributes, and the second one will be the behavior. Let me explain you one example. Explain you an example. Take the class as 8, or take the best example as mobile. What is the object, Sushmita? If I take the class as mobile, what is the object?
We can take it as Samsung, Nokia.
Good. Everything will be treated as object. Very good. And now see, I am taking here. Class is going to be described two things. One is attribute, and the second one is behavior. Can you tell me what is the behavior of what is the attributes of a mobile? Attributes are nothing but are called as data, Sushmita. In the programming terminology, we call it as data.
Okay.
Can I take the mobile name as attribute? Name, mobile company name. The company name. So your company name will be treated as a string. Can I write it as a string? String as a data type.
Color of
Good, good. We'll have a color also. And what about the cost? How can I declare the cost? Either it may be a string or integer or float.
cost will be also come with
Int or float or double.
cost. We can take it as double.
Yeah, good, very good. We need to take it as a double, that is cost. And you can, this is what a data, this is the data about the mobile. You can have number of data like RAM capacity, ROM capacity. What is the RAM capacity you take? RAM.
Yeah.
It is integer, right? RAM capacity 2 GB or 3 GB, and ROM capacity also, right? ROM capacity. This all the things will be, yeah, and we'll have number of things like the front cam, back cam, model, everything. This all the things will be called as data. Now, what is in the behavior?
Functions.
Yeah, simply function. Actually, in Java, the methods, the functions are called as methods. Tell me what are the behaviors of the mobile? What the purpose we are using the mobile? Calling, right?
Calling, camera
Yeah.
quality.
Good, very good. No, quality is not calling, the behavior, the functionality. The calling and messaging,
Message.
And what browsing? Are you clear? The behaviors, the what is the working phenomenon of the ATM is going to be described by the methods. So this is the first of all you need to know what is class and exactly. So class is an imaginary thing, and a class is going to be described the two things. One is attributes and the behavior of anything. If you take anything, here I am taking it as a mobile. If you take ATM as a class, what is the attributes?
ATM.
Yeah, ATM. If you take the class as ATM, like your bank name.
ATM. ATM name.
Hmm. Yeah, good. Bank name, account number, PIN number, amount, all the things will be treated as what? Data, right?
Data attribute. Yes.
Now, what is the methods? What is the behavior of the ATM? What's the purpose we are using ATM?
Withdraw.
Yeah, withdraw, deposit, balance increase.
Deposit.
Yeah, good, good. So actually, I need to conclude this one. Just see. Your complete object-oriented programming language will give the real-time environment to write the program. So then it is very easy to write the program and very easy to understand the things because everything is treated as in real time only. Now see, I have given two examples. One is mobile and second one is ATM. The same thing is also written in the program in real-time Java programming also. Okay. Yeah, this is what exactly your demo. And from Monday onwards, we'll have the rest of the session. And you can get the confirmation about the timings with your the Naresh, and the Naresh is there. And I think you can having the interaction with the Saujanya, right? Saujanya or Sujana, the madam. Yeah, yeah, you can interact with her. Yes, Sujana, you can interact with her, and she will give the timings about regarding the classes. Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah,
I was having
yeah.
one doubt. So
Yeah, ask me. Ask me.
that I haven't heard that plus plus is used to add one value to operand. So why it's written C plus plus?
Good, very good. C
Plus
plus
is
plus
an
means
increment operator. Okay. Yeah. Why we are
actually.
using an operator with?
Good, good, good. Very good. I will tell you. Actually, your CPP completely derived from CPP language only. So CPP is a complete derived from your complete C language only. But we are adding some features to the existing C. Simply your CPP is nothing but 70% of C only. And the plus adding some new features. The new features will be the oops. And we are adding some new features to the existing C. That's why we are using that plus plus operator. That's a plus plus is nothing but enhancements with the existing thing only. Are you clear, Sushmita? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, are you clear?
Okay. Oops. Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. Okay, right. Next class we'll see
Hello?
on the Monday. Yeah, yeah. Hello. Is anything you want to know me? Anything you want to know from me?
Sir, and a little bit of that processor.
What's the processor?
Like how many processors we have? Like i4, i5, i3 and more names of processors.
Okay, processor you need. Okay, right. We have i3 processor, i5 processor, AMD processor, Athlon processor. These are some processor companies are available in the market. Now AMD. AMD is also one of the processor. Athlon is also one of the processor. P4, P2, right? Is it okay, Sushmita? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll meet on the Monday again, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.